Alam nyo po ba na ito pong si Chis Escudero ay lumipat na, mga kababayan, dito po sa minority ni Tito Sen. At ngayon nga, mga kababayan, nagkaroon ng panibagong palit liderato, palit ng Senate Pro Tempore muna kasi kulang pa sila ng isa. Di ba ang pagkakaalam natin, mga kababayan, bago magpalit ng Senate leadership, ng Senate President sa Senado, kailangan po nasa 13 yung boto or 13 na senator, mga kababayan, yung pipili ng Senate President. So ngayon, ang pinalitan lang muna, mga kababayan, ay yung Senate Pro Tempore para umusad na po ito pong Senado at binakante lahat ng chairmanship. So ngayon, mga kababayan, ito, pakinggan po natin at panoorin po natin itong nangyaring pagdating ni Chis Escudero, mga kababayan, sa Senate Plenary na kung saan sumapi na po siya at sumama na po siya sa minority, mga kababayan, ni Tito Sen. Ibig sabihin, sila na po ang panibagong simple majority. So ito, mga kababayan, i-play po natin.
To call the roll.
Roll call of members. The Honorable Senators Aquino, Cayetano Pia, De La Rosa, Ejercito, Escudero, Estrada, Gatchalian, Go, Hontiveros, Lacson, Lapid, Legarda.
Salamat talaga at namitawi kay Chis Escudero yung pagiging Pilipino niya kasi, mga kababayan, kailangan na po talagang palitan ang leadership ng Senado bago pa tuluyang bumagsak ito. Dahil nga sa gagawin bukas na mga kawalang hiyaan, mga kababayan, ng ibang mga senator dyan po sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Kasi biruin nyo nakakapagtaka, kinancel po nila. Kinancel nila yung imbitasyon ng 18 nagpakilalang dating miyembro ng Marines. Ngayon, mga kababayan, inaprubahan ulit nila. So ibig sabihin, talagang may pinaplano sila, mga kababayan, para po bukas dun sa hearing ng Senate Blue Ribbon. So ngayon, ito ituloy pa natin.
Marcoleta, Marcos, Padilla, Pangilinan, Soto, Tulfo Erwin,
Thank you,
Tulfo
Lord.
Rafi, Villanueva, Villar Camille, Villar Mark, Zubiri, Senate President.
Tsaka tingnan nyo, mga kababayan, mamaya pagka nagpalit po ng pro tempore, makikita nyo, mga kababayan, kung gaano kasaya yung mga tao sa Senado. Makikita nyo mamaya.
Then Cayetano Alan.
With 12 senators present, the chair declares a quorum.
Yon! Woo!
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move to declare all elected positions in the Senate vacant.
Is there
Yan
any
na!
objection?
Woo!
Duly seconded. The motion is approved.
Kita nyo, mga kababayan, grabe nangangatal yung katawan ko kasi alam niyo yung sa sobrang excited at saka saya kasi yung Senate ay uusad na ulit dahil kung titingnan talaga natin, grabe talaga yung ginawa ni Alan Peter Cayetano na pagsira sa Senado. Postpone ba yung Senate Blue Ribbon bukas? O maganda yon kung Monday sisimulan? Di ba maganda yon, mga kababayan? Grabe. Buti na lang talaga itong si Chis Escudero na mayagpag sa kanya yung pagiging Pilipino niya. Grabe yun sa ng mga tao dito sa loob, oh.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate President Pro Temp.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
I hereby move and nominate Senator Sherwin Gatchalian as the Senate President Pro Tempore.
Hey! Woo!
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved. Thank you, dear colleagues. Majority Leader.
Ikaw na. Sige, ikaw na.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I move that we elect Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri as Chairman of the Committee on Rules.
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved.
Alright!
Thank you very much, my dear colleagues.
Palitan din yung Sergeant at Arms at saka yung Senate Secretary para tapos.
My dear colleagues, I move that we proceed with the oath-taking of the Senate President Pro Tempore.
Hey!
And we will ask Senator Soto, the most senior member of this chamber, to proceed with the oath. to our new Senate President Pro Tem.
Eto, sasamantalahin na rin natin kung nanonood man, eto mga taga-suporta ni Senator Loren Legarda, sana mamitawi sa isipan ni Senator Loren Legarda yung pagiging Pilipino niya. Kasi hindi naman ikaw yung Senator Loren na hinangaan namin noon at sinuportahan namin noon. 'Di ba? Kaya Senator Loren Legarda, kung talagang mahal mo ang Pilipinas, lumipat ka na sa simple majority ngayon para maging mapalitan na ang Senate President ng Senado at umusad na ulit ang mga trabaho diyan po sa Senado. Kung nanunood, mga kababayan, etong kampo ni Senator Loren Legarda, much better lumipat ka na dito sa grupo ni na Senator Tito Sen, ni na Tito Soto. Di po ba? Para nang sa ganon umusad na ang Senado at mapalitan na ang leadership, mga kababayan, ng Senado. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, para sa akin, mga kababayan, bilang isang mamamayang Pilipino, hindi sumasama yung loob ko dito po kay Senator Loren Legarda. Ang panawagan natin ngayon, magkaisa na para sa kinabukasan ng mga kababayang Pilipino po natin. Kasi kawawa talaga ang taong bayan dito. 'Di ba? Sana mamayagpag sa puso at damdamin mo, Senator Loren, yung pagiging Pilipino mo. At unahin ninyo yung mga Pilipino, ang mga kababayang Pilipino natin na nangangailangan ng tulong ng ating gobyerno. 'Di ba? Total naman, parte kayo ng gobyerno. O bakit hindi ka na lang lumipat? Iwanan mo na yan si Alan Peter Cayetano kasi walang kinabukasan ng Senado kay Cayetano. Grabe, thank you Lord talaga. Woo!
Having been elected to this position of Senate President pro tempore,
Senate President pro tempore.
do hereby solemnly swear
Hereby solemnly swear
Grabe. Woo!
faithfully discharge
that I will well and faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
the best of my ability
the duties of my present position
the duties of my president
and of all others
to all others.
I may hereafter hold
I am here under
under the Republic of the Philippines,
after their public
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the
support and
Philippines,
defend the Constitution,
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and
obey the laws, legal orders,
decrees
Sino ngayon yung habang nangyayari to, tumatayo yung balahibo? At hindi maiwasang, alam niyo yung magalak, mga kababayan? Kasi yung mga tao nga dito sa loob ng Senado, ng plenary session, mga kababayan, grabe, tuwang-tuwa. Tuwang-tuwa nung napalitan ng leadership ng Senado. 'Di ba yung leadership, yung Senate pro tempore, mga kababayan, nung nakuha yung simple majority kasi ramdam nila nauusad na ulit at magtatrabaho na ulit ang Senado.
promulgated by the duly constituted authority,
Grabe talaga, thank you Lord.
and maintain true faith and allegiance to the Republic of the Philippines,
they do faith and allegiance to the Republic,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself
and
voluntarily
impose this obligation
At hindi yung balahibo ko.
without mental
without
reservation
mental reservation
or purpose of
purpose of
evasion.
evasion.
So help me
So
God.
help me God. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yay! Woo!
Congratulations,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Senate President Pro Tempore.
Majority Leader.
Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate Secretary.
Yan! Tama
Is there any
yan!
objection? Hearing none, motion's approved.
Mr. President, I move to nominate and elect Secretary Ray Bantug Jr. to the position of Senate Secretary.
Pati Sergeant at Arms, palitan!
There being no other nominations present.
Is there any objection? Duly seconded. The motion is approved.
Mr. President, I'd like to also move to proceed with the election of the Senate Sergeant at Arms.
Yarak!
Is there
Yay!
any objection?
Okay.
Hearing none, motion is carried.
Mr. President, I move to nominate and elect Police Major General Alfredo Soto Corpus to the position of Sergeant at Arms, there being no other nomination. I so
Is
move.
there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Mr. President, I
Tama.
move that we give their oaths of office together.
Okay, shoutout po kay Gijosa or kay Hihosa. Gisosa pala. Mega love shoutout po. Thank you po sa pakapi po Grabe, thank you Lord talaga.
I state your name.
I, Jonathan Santos Jr.,
Having been elected
having been
to
elected
the position of,
to the position of
do
Secretary of
hereby,
Senate,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my
the
ability,
duties of my present position,
duties of my present
Thank you.
all others I may hereafter do,
and all others I may hereafter perform,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the
to
Philippines,
support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
support and defend the Constitution of the Republic.
Kasi mga kababayan na ito kaya po kasi natin nasabi kahapon na 12-11 na nga ngayong araw. Kasi nga di ba nga mga kababayan, bukod sa may nakita po tayong balita galing po kay Attorney Jess, kay Attorney Jesus Palsis, may mga nakarating na din po sa atin talaga mga kababayan kahapon na magkakaroon nga ng ganito. Kasi nga si Chis Escudero simula nung nagpalit ng leadership kababayan, diyan po sa Senado at nakita yung kaguluhan, hindi na po talaga siya natuwa. Yun po talaga yun mga kababayan. Hindi na po siya talaga natuwa. Ano po sa mga pinaggagawa ni Alan Peter Cayetano na kung saan dinadala nga papunta sa bangin yung imahe ng Senado. At yan din siguro yung naging dahilan kaya po siya lumipat mga kababayan dito po sa Senate minority na ngayon po ay simple majority na. Ano po ngayon, ituloy pa natin.
Republic of the Philippines,
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, orders, and legal decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authority,
promulgated by the duly constituted
and maintain
authorities,
true faith and allegiance
and maintain true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the Philippines,
to the Republic of the
and
Philippines,
that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental
Oh.
reservation or purpose of
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, gentlemen. Congratulations.
Congratulations to the new Sergeant at Arms and to the new Secretary, our comebacking Secretary of the Senate.
All
Mr. President, I
right.
move to elect the following senators as chairpersons of the following committees. Senator J.V. Ejercito, Chairman of the Committee of Finance. Senator Tito Soto, Chairman of the Committee on National Defense.
All right.
Chairman Panfilo Ping Lacson, Chairman of the Committee on Public Order and Committee on Accounts. Chairman Erwin Tulfo, the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations and Social Welfare and Rural Development. Chairman Senator Rafi Tulfo to the Committee on Public Services. Chairman Bam Aquino to the Committee on Basic Education. Senator
Alright.
Kiko Pangilinan, Chairman of
Yun yung maganda dito na ibalik mga kababayan si Bam Aquino sa Basic Education kasi yan talaga mga kababayan yung yung pinakamahal niya na komite dyan po sa Senado. Ano po ngayon, tuloy pa natin.
the Committee on Agriculture. Senator Risa Ontiveros,
Sino yan, si Senator Kiko ba yun? Yung sa Agriculture?
Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Chairman of the Committee on Agriculture.
Alright.
Senator Risa Ontiveros, Chairman of the Committee on Health. Senator Lito Lapid as Chairman of the Committee on Games and Amusements.
Right.
Senator Chis Escudero to retain his Committee on Housing. And yours truly, Senator Zubiri, as Chairman of the Committee on Foreign Relations.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion of the majority leader is hereby approved.
Mr.
All right.
President, I move to consider PS Resolution number 432. This is the resolution amending Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials to provide for the election of a presiding officer in all cases not involving the President of the Philippines. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection?
Alright.
Hearing none, the motion
Woo!
is approved.
I move to adopt PS Resolution number 432. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr.
Good.
President, may we ask the Secretary to read the title of the measure for clarity and place on record the title of the resolution.
Resolution amending Rule 2 of the Rules of Procedure in Impeachment Trials to provide for the election of a presiding officer in all cases not involving the President of the Philippines.
Hindi kasali ang presidente dyan baka sabihin na naman ni Alan Peter Cayetano, kasali na naman si PBBM. Baka isisi nyo na naman yan sa pamahalaan sa palas. sa palasyo. Anyway, tuloy pa natin.
presiding officer in all cases not involving the President of the Philippines.
Ah,
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I also move to consider
sabi dito ni J.Ed, yung USAA replaced by General Soto. General Soto po yung ipinalit. Former General Soto ata mga kababayan. Retired. Retired General Soto pala, sorry.
proposed Senate Concurrent Resolution number 10. The Secretary is directed to read only the title of the resolution without prejudice of inserting the full text thereof.
Concurrent resolution providing for the adjournment sine die of the first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines not later than 12 o'clock midnight today, June 3, 2026.
Mr. President, I move to adopt Senate Concurrent Resolution number 10.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Mr. President, in conformity with the Senate Concurrent Resolution that we have just adopted, I move that the Committee on the Senate, provided therein be composed of Senators J.V. Ejercito, Francis Pangilinan, and Rafi Tulfo. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. Senators J.V. Arcito, Francis Pangilinan, Rafi Tulfo.
Wait lang, may nagtanong. Sabi ni Francis Ibet, Sir Jake Magnum, sino yung Senate President? Ang Senate President po si Alan Peter Cayetano pa rin. Kasi wala pang 13 itong simple majority. Kumbaga, napalitan lang dito mga kababayan yung mga chairmanship, yung ibang chairmanship, at the same time mga kababayan, yung Senate Pro Tempore. Yun yung pinalitan dito. Kasi kanila na yung nakuha na nila yung simple majority mga kababayan. So ngayon, kapag nadagdagan ng isa pa na senator, automatic kanila yung Senate presidency. Sana lumipat. Etong si Senator Loren Legarda, bumalik siya kung saan siya umalis mga kababayan.
And shall compose the committee of the Senate to inform the President of the Republic of the Philippines that the first regular session of the 20th Congress is ready to adjourn sine die.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. And just for clarity, the PS resolution we earlier approved is 430. The number is 430. 430? 430. Mr. President, before we adjourn, the chair would like to state for the
Mr.
record
President,
why
Majority
we
Leader,
compelled
before we
today.
adjourn,
Yes.
allow me to give a few remarks. Before we adjourn, ladies and gentlemen,
Yan.
the chair would like to state for the record that we are compelled to call the session to order today. After the Senate adjourned on May 26, 2026, session was scheduled to resume on Monday, June 1, 2026, and on Tuesday, June 2, 2026. But the former Senate President failed to appear in both instances. Further, Article 6, Section 16(5) of the Constitution provides that neither House shall, during sessions of Congress, adjourn for more than 3 days without the consent of the other House. The Senate has been adjourned and unable to resume session for the past 2 days, placing us on the brink of constitutional violation had we not convened today. Thus, in the absence of a duly consulted postponement and the continued absence of the former Senate President pro tempore, and members of the majority, we are compelled to call the session to order. The quorum of 12 is based on majority of 22 senators, over whom jurisdiction can be obtained by the Senate. This is in full accord with the ruling of the court in Avellino versus Cuenco, that an absolute majority of 12 out of the 23 members can constitute a constitutional majority of the Senate for quorum purposes, and with precedent, specifically the May 5, 2015 session, where the quorum was based on 17 available senators, with 7 others beyond the Senate's coercive jurisdiction. Thank you.
Thank
dear
you very
colleagues.
much for the clarity, Mr. President. Mr. President, let the record reflect that the chair, as Senate President pro tempore, shall serve as acting president pursuant to Rule 5. Yes. Presiding officer of the Senate pursuant to Rule 5, Section 4C and 5 of the Rules of the Senate. Yes. Pursuant to our rules, the wording is actually acting president on our rules. just for the record, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, I move that the President of the Republic of the Philippines and the House of Representatives be informed of the election of Senate President pro tempore and acting Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian. I so move, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion of the majority leader is hereby approved.
Mr. President, I move that the first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines on the part of the Senate be adjourned sine G.
Is there any objection?
All
The
right.
chair hears none. The motion is approved. The first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines on the part of the Senate is adjourned sine die.
Oh, ayan. Ano? Ano? Ay yabag-yabag pa ni Marcoleta kanina. Ano yung sabi ni Marcoleta? Bukas! Bukas, huwag kayong kukurap. At dadalhin natin ang Pilipinas sa tamang direksyon. Di ba yun yung sabi ni Marcoleta? Eh ang nangyari, yun nga, sa hindi nila pagkurap, bam! Naging 12 na yung minority. At malaki pa ang possible, mga kababayan, na maging 13 pa po yan. Kasi sa totoo lang, mga kababayan, pag hindi po talaga umusad ang Senado, talagang apektado po lahat. Kahit ang executive, mga kababayan. Pag hindi po talaga umusad ang Senado, apektado kahit ang executive. Sa totoo lang, apektado ang mamamayang Pilipino, apektado po lahat. Kaya nga napakalaking pasasalamat po natin bilang isang mamamayang Pilipino na nangibabaw kay Chis Escudero yung pagiging Pilipino niya. At lumipat po siya, mga kababayan, dito po sa minority na ngayon ay simple majority na po. So ngayon, yung mga plano ni na Marcoleta na gamitin na naman yung Senate Blue Ribbon Committee para sakyan yung mga sinasabi nitong si Mike Defensor at nung mga bata ni Mike Defensor na 18 nagpakilalang dating miyembro ng Marines, eh mukhang malabo na pong mangyari yan. Kasi sa totoo lang, mga kababayan, biruin nyo kahit hindi legal, yung proseso gagawin po nilang legal para lang matuloy yung plano po nila na sirain lalo ang imahe ng Senado. Buti na nga lang, nagkaroon, mga kababayan, ng ganito ngayon. Diba, biruin nyo, isa na lang ang kulang. At automatic mapapatalsik na itong si Alan Peter Cayetano. So kayo, mga kababayan, kung kayo po ang tatanungin, ano po ang masasabi nyo, hingil po sa mga nangyaring ito. Comment below na lamang po kung ano po ang comment at opinion po ninyo. Hingil po dyan.